seeing a strategic shift in manufacturing. It's no longer enough to simply meet quality standards. Today, leaders in the industry are actively optimizing for excellence, and consumers are looking for transparency, traceability, and sustainability. Consumers want products that come with a commitment to conscious production. They want to know what's on their plate, where it came from, and how it was made. It's really a multi-pronged approach. We can divide the approach into two main parts. The first part is a strong emphasis on raw materials and supply chain, and the second part focuses on optimizing the production process. It's important to recognize the challenges posed by a complex supply chain. In navigating the intricacies of global sourcing, ensuring the highest quality ingredients becomes a formidable task. The journey from sourcing to production can be a logistical nightmare, especially when needing to trace ingredients back to their origin. Identifying potential contamination risks early in the supply chain is extremely important, but it becomes challenging without complete transparency and reliable data. This is where implementing technology such as simple gate tracking solutions have a lot of promise in streamlining that process. By leveraging technology to enhance transparency and data reliability, the supply chain can overcome these challenges, paving the way for a more efficient and secure journey from raw materials to final product. The second part focuses on what happens during the production process, optimizing the cooking, baking, or mixing processes to where small enhancements can be made that have a high impact on flavor, consistency, or other metrics of quality are really important. Traditionally, this has been a black box with manual checks and adjustments, prone to the inconsistencies of human error. This is where continuous real-time monitoring plays an important role. Imagine sophisticated sensors embedded throughout your production line, gathering data on everything from temperature to pressure to flow, vibration. They provide a detailed picture of what's happening in real time every millisecond. Think of this as a guardian angel. These sensors detect even the slightest deviations from optimal conditions, allowing for immediate adjustments before mistakes happen. Technological advancements have made these solutions remarkably affordable and user-friendly, but it's important for manufacturers to answer a few key questions when deciding what solutions will work for them. What problem am I trying to solve? Can I do this with the equipment I already have? Do I have the source data available to solve those problems? Once you've defined your problem to solve and have determined you need to source new solutions, then you should ask yourself, how much time will this take to implement, including labor and training? Is this technology flexible? Essentially, will it integrate with other technologies that I'm using now, and is it easy to maintain? Can we measure the value it will have? Answering these questions can help you source a partner that will provide tangible value. And yes, there are solutions on the market today that are robust and affordable that empower even smaller food and beverage manufacturers to unlock the same level of quality control as the industry giants. It's really about building trust with your customers, minimizing waste, and creating a high-quality product that speaks for itself. Collecting data allows you to confidently and accurately communicate with your customers about the impact they're having on the production of their food, the environment, and the community. Minimizing waste helps achieve sustainability goals and efficiency gains. Labor shortages are a problem for many manufacturers, and it's always a challenge when there aren't enough people or you have to spend a significant amount of time training new employees, all while managing consistency across the production process. Automation adds more tools for workers to help them make more informed decisions. They don't need to be everywhere at once, and they can receive proactive notifications that help them prioritize their workload in an efficient way. It's about taking transparency and traceability to the next level and being able to confidently tell your consumers that they can trust you. Take the next step towards excellence. Contact IFM today and discover how real-time insights can transform your quality story.